Hey guys and girls, welcome to Kyle's Kitchen. Alright. Like my new shirt? I know. It's boss. Anyways, today I'm gonna be making a recipe which only takes 3 ingredients and it takes a lot of sweet tooth. Alright? Because you gotta have sweet tooth to eat this. Alright, we're making brownies today. Alright? Chocolate brownie, fudge brownies. Okay? And I don't know about you, but I got a sweet tooth and I'm hungry. Alright? Even after lunch, I can go for some brownies. I don't think anybody can disagree with me. Alright? So we got the brownie mix right here. Got it at the store, save a lot. Get it anywhere. You gotta preheat the oven to 350. Alright? And one whole box basically makes 20 servings. So 20 brownies. So you're gonna need at least 2 sheets. 2 baking sheets or 1 big one. Okay? I got 2. Alright? Another ingredient, vegetable oil. You're gonna need this stuff, this bad boy. And then also eggs. Okay? You have to have your eggs. Okay? Alright, so it takes, I got water, that's another ingredient. 3 tablespoons of water. Okay? A half cup of vegetable oil. Alright? And 2 large eggs. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix everything together. And I got my spatula here to do it, okay? I'm going to open up the box and I'm going to pour out the brownie mix, okay? Pour out the brownie mix. Smells yummy. Next, the water goes in. 3 tablespoons of water, measured out. Next, half cup of vegetable oil, measured out. Okay? Now you gotta take your spatula and mix really good. You gotta mix it really good. Okay. After you mix it a little bit, you gotta add the eggs. So 2 large eggs it needs. Okay. After you mix it a tiny bit, add some eggs to it. Then after the eggs, then you can really get a good mix on it. The eggs are going to hold it together. It's going to keep it compact and hold the brownies together, okay? The vegetable oil is to make it non-stick. Okay, look what we got. We got brownie mix here. See it? Okay. Now we're going to throw it into our pans. Maybe this will take 1 pan. We'll see. I think it's only going to go in 1 pan. Yeah, it's going to fit in 1 pan. So I'll just stuff this pan full of brownie mix. Yeah, it's only 1 pan so far. Next, we're going to throw this in the oven. We're going to throw the brownie mix in the oven, okay? Alright guys, so the brownie came out really good looking. Here's the big thing of the brownie in the aluminum foil container. Really good. Chocolate. I have a piece in a bowl. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a scoop of ice cream on it. Just, just to make it better. So this is how you serve it. This is how it looks. Brownie with ice cream. Okay, guys? Now I'm going to try a taste of it and see how it is. I'm going to try a taste of it and see how it is. Because it just looks too scrumptious right now. Go for it. There you go. Mmm. Really good. Mmm. Chocolatey. Mmm. Amazing. That is tasty. That is perfection. Mmm. 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 So, got hot brownie straight out the oven with some cold ice cream. Can't beat it. You really can't. There goes my diet. Oh well. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining me in Kyle's kitchen. Boom. Get cooking. Alright, good looking. Boom.